Why is email important? The use of email correspondence is ubiquitous all over the world. More and more companies are geared towards using the email. And as Harvard Business School says, that it has become an email culture. Although other means of communication are also used by business companies, meaning memos and reports and letters, instant and text messages, but the use of email has become very widespread, and more companies are carrying out their correspondence through email. And in this, email culture has been fostered basically because of the speed and the efficient communication which is provided by using the email. Quick decisions have to be made and they have to be quickly transmitted to the audiences. So email provides the best possible solution for such type of a situation. The components of an email or the format which is there is provided by the computer itself. For example, the identification line which is there in the letter or in the memo, that is computer generated. And the to, the from, the date, and the subject, they are there on the computer screen. So the best thing about emails is that it saves a lot of time. And in a situation where the efficiency depends upon time, then it provides the best solution. So the primary reason for the use of email is that it saves a lot of valuable time of the business employee. It is so quick that it is almost instantaneous. Just a click of a button and your message is sent across the whole of the world. Besides this, the use of the email is very convenient for the users, and with advancement of technology, emails can be sent even with handhelds. So there's no need of any paper. People anywhere in far remote locations have their handhelds, their mobiles, so messages can be sent easily on the handhelds. So it is very convenient to use the email. Then most of these handhelds, they combine voice, phone, the personal assistant, and the email package as well. So it becomes very convenient. And therefore, they can be accessed, the employee with the handheld can be accessed anywhere and at all times. Then it can be used for internal and external communication as well. So besides communicating with your co-workers within the company, you can also communicate with your clients and vendors and customers, the outside audience as well. So the traditional means of communication, they have their limitation. You have to depend upon on paper, you have to depend upon pens and other things, but in email it is virtually free. Cost is also another very important factor in the use of and the continued popularity of email. There are no expenses on paper and other writing and postage items. Also, you can send as many number of attachments as you want with your email, and then there are no shipping costs, and this is very significant when you are communicating with international audiences and international companies. When it comes to documentation, we find that there is additional value in the email because it allows a lot of documentation to take place automatically. The email trail not only tells about what transpired between you and the person you are addressing, but any other reader who has read and responded to that email. So it gives you a thread or a string of emails, which is very useful for which can be archived in files and can be used for future references. However, when it comes to security, then we find that emails are not as secure as letters or memos because they can be sent, they can be read, and they can be sent to a number of people and forwarded to a number of people without the knowledge of the person who has initially written that email. And then emails stay in the company's backup system and they become the property of the company. So therefore, we cannot say that any email ever is secure or is private, but it can always be read and seen by other people. Then there can be delays in emails as well. If there is a lack of internet facilities, then there would be delay. If there are problems of resolution between computers, compatibility problems, then there could be delays. And then, of course, the problem of electricity would also cause further delays in sending of emails. Also, if there are a large number of attachments with your email, then your email can be delayed. Another disadvantage is that emails are usually limited to a single computer screen. So effective emails are and if you want your email to be effective, then it is only limited to one screen limitation. So that way you can say that this is another limitation of the emails.